Hey class, this is JJ, and this is my final project. My final project is on the respiratory system and how air enters our body into our lungs and how food enters our body into the stomach. And for these two things to enter our body, there needs to be a separator. The separator is called the epiglottis, and it basically covers the larynx to separate the two pathways. So we'll start with saying the parts. So this is the nasal cavity, the oral cavity, the pharynx, of course the epiglottis, which is the separator, the larynx, and the esophagus. The larynx goes into our airway and into our lungs, and the esophagus goes into our stomach, which is for our food. So we go through some scenarios. So when you breathe through your mouth, it goes to our oral cavity, and it will make its way down to larynx. And of course, the epiglottis is open. Not covering, so it makes it to the lungs. And then next scenario is when you breathe through your nose. Oh shoot, it's not supposed to go there. And it goes straight into the lungs. Now, when you're eating food, the epiglottis covers the larynx, so it goes into our esophagus and into our stomach. And that's my final project. Thank you.